MerMay. This is my painting for day 4. I am finding that I was trying to work ahead and I got stuck. I've been drawing for a couple days and I wasn't liking my drawings, so I wasn't able to stay ahead. So today is actually day 3 and I posted today, but this is for tomorrow, day 4. And I just decided to go ahead and do a portrait of a mermaid because I was, as much fun as it is to draw the fins and have them doing something like drinking tea or something like that, my drawings weren't coming up. So I was like, okay, let's try switching gears. And so I decided to do a portrait. And so I'll probably throw these in every once in a while throughout the different weeks. And this one I kind of did, there's a prompt on Jane Davenport's list for splash. So I did this one like she's kind of splashing the water a little bit, but it's mostly just a portrait of a mermaid. So I'm again using the Daniel Smith palette I created, mostly using, well, pretty much all pinks, blues, and a little bit of purple and yellow ochre for mixing the skin tone. For the skin tone I use like alizarin crimson and yellow ochre. And then on the eyes, when you see me putting like black or brown up there, I'm using some burnt sienna, some raw umber, and some indigo. I mix indigo and raw umber a lot for creating a black. So I decided just to be really loose on this one and just throw some color down for the first layer and then go back in and start defining details and just painting very intuitively, which is what I do anyway, but just going ahead and adding colors and deepening the values as I go along, adding layers. So in this one, again, I just wanted to kind of create like a very ethereal feel, since mermaids are somewhat ethereal beings, and I just had a lot of fun doing this. So when I go in here to add the shadow, that's where I'm using like the umber color, raw umber, and a little bit of indigo mixed in. And then I blend it out with water because I don't want it to look too harsh. I didn't want anything to be too harsh on this girl. And it was kind of a happy accident, but I like how it turned out. I just defined one eye and not the other. And I wasn't planning that. Again, I was just painting intuitively and I liked how that was looking, so I left it alone. And I just kind of wanted everything to be somewhat blurry in a way and just very light and, you know, just flowing like water, you know, just very ethereal. So this is where I'm at so far. I'm curious to hear in the comments below if you're participating in MerMay and if you're running into any challenges, you know, artist block or anything like that. Having a lot of fun looking at all the mermaids, so loving MerMay. So again, I'm hoping to finish this challenge and trying to work ahead some more today, so I'll keep painting and drawing some more mermaids and just see where it takes me. I may jump off the prompt list. I'm not sure. We'll see. I like some of the prompts for sure, but yeah, you gotta feel inspired. So just wherever it leads me, I will keep creating mermaids, and I look forward to seeing yours. And thank you so much for stopping by. I will sign off here, but you can continue to watch this painting unfold. It's kind of neat to see how it progressed because it really wasn't planned. So thanks again, and please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like what you see here. Thank you so much.